Right now, 1 in 4 Americans over 65 will spend time in a nursing home. But here's what most doctors will never tell you. For most of them, it was preventable. And the difference came down to 7 foods. Cheap, ordinary foods sitting in grocery stores everywhere, but most people have no idea how powerful they are. If you're over 60 or you love someone who is and you've been feeling like your energy, your sharpness, even your strength is just slipping away, I want you to know. That feeling is real. And it's not your fault. We've been told that aging means decline. That it's inevitable. But I'm a longevity researcher, and the science tells a completely different story. Biological decline is not an inevitable consequence of aging, it is often a consequence of cumulative nutritional neglect. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 foods that work faster and more comprehensively than almost any pharmaceutical intervention for age-related decline. We're talking sharper memory, stronger muscles, and stable energy. All starting at your very next meal. Let's break this down, food by food. Food 1. Fatty fish. Here's the thing, your brain is literally made of fat. And right now, if you're not eating fatty fish, your brain is running on empty. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. Think of these as the insulation on your brain's electrical wires. Without them, signals misfire. Memories blur. Thinking slows. Studies show seniors who consume adequate omega-3s experience 30% less cognitive decline compared to those who don't. That's the difference between maintaining your independence and losing it. Eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Canned sardines, fresh salmon, smoked mackerel all work. Within 3 months, most people notice measurable improvements in strength, mobility, and mental clarity. Vitamin D in salmon also rebuilds the bone density that aging skin can no longer produce from sunlight. If you're ready to take control of your health and stay independent as long as possible, hit that subscribe button right now. You deserve this information. Don't miss it. Food 2. Berries. I want you to imagine a tiny cleanup crew working inside your brain right now, neutralizing the damage that causes memory loss and mental fog. That crew is called anthocyanins. And you can hire them for the cost of a bag of frozen blueberries. Berries are loaded with these antioxidants, the compounds that give them their vibrant color. Unlike most nutrients, anthocyanins can cross the blood-brain barrier. They travel to the regions responsible for memory and learning and start repairing damage. Consuming just 1 cup of berries daily can neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular damage by up to 50%. And measurable improvements in processing speed and focus can appear in as little as 12 weeks. 1 cup per day, fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or eat them straight. Half a cup of raspberries alone provides nearly a third of your daily fiber, which keeps blood sugar stable and energy steady all day. Food 3. Leafy greens. There is one mineral most seniors are critically short on, and it could literally be the reason they fall. Here's how 1 cup of spinach fixes it. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are your highest source of vitamin K, the nutritional glue that binds calcium to your bones. 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers over 800% of your daily requirement, linked to a 30% reduction in hip fracture risk. These greens also contain natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure by 5 to 10 points within just 2 weeks. No side effects. No prescription. And for your eyes, the lutein and zeaxanthin in these greens reduce your risk of macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in seniors, by 40%. Protecting your vision is perhaps the single most important thing you can do to maintain independence. Food 4. Nuts and seeds. Look at a walnut closely. It literally looks like a brain. And that's exactly where it does its best work. Walnuts carry the highest omega-3 concentration of any nut on Earth. Regular consumption may reduce Alzheimer's risk by up to 50%. Meanwhile, almonds give you vitamin E, 37% of your daily requirement in just 1 ounce, your body's primary cellular shield. And seeds like chia and flax deliver 10 grams of fiber in 2 tablespoons, improving digestive health and weight management. 1 handful of mixed nuts per day, roughly an ounce. Combine walnuts for the brain, almonds for the cells, and seeds for the gut. Pre-portion them on Sunday for the whole week. Food 5. Eggs. For decades, we were told eggs were dangerous. That advice may have cost millions of seniors their muscle mass, their memory, and their independence. Let's set the record straight. Eggs are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, your most efficient tool for repairing muscle and preventing the quiet muscle loss that steals your ability to walk and live independently. 1 egg provides nearly a third of your daily choline requirement, the raw material your brain uses to produce the neurotransmitter responsible for memory formation. And 2 eggs give you almost all the vitamin B12 you need daily to prevent nerve damage and cognitive fog. 1 to 2 eggs per day, any style. The yolk is not the enemy, the fat in it actually helps your body absorb the vision-protecting nutrients from your greens. These foods work together. Food 6. Legumes. What if I told you the most powerful longevity food costs less than 50 cents per serving? Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are the ultimate fatigue fighters. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber, a combination that stabilizes blood sugar and supports muscle in ways animal protein alone cannot. Their iron content prevents the anemia-induced weakness many seniors mistake for just getting old. And their folate lowers homocysteine, a key marker for stroke risk. 3 to 4 times per week. Canned varieties work just as well, just rinse to reduce sodium. Toss into salads, soups, or eat as a side. Food 7. Whole grains. This switch takes 30 seconds at the grocery store. And it's associated with a 20% lower risk of heart disease and a 30% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Refined grains spike your blood sugar, then crash it. That's your 2 p.m. fog. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice deliver glucose slowly and steadily, keeping you active and alert rather than just fed. 3 servings per day. Overnight oats instead of sugary cereal. Brown rice instead of white. Quinoa as a grain bowl base. Just upgrade what you're already eating. Here's your 1 simple habit from today's video. Add 1 new food this week. Just 1. A bag of frozen blueberries. A can of lentils. A piece of salmon. Then next week, add another. Within 30 days, sharper thinking, stronger muscles, more stable energy. You are not destined to decline. Your plate is the most powerful tool you have. Which of these 7 foods surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. A like helps more people in our community find this information. I'll see you there.